Dr. Apostolic Mother Ìyá Rainbow ẹ máa wo Bísí Ológe TV ẹ má yí kó bẹ́ẹ̀ o ẹ má kó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
And all council members who are here today, the management, staff and students of this institution, the various accomplishments of this university are undoubtedly traceable to the concerted various orders in the management. Thank you. On behalf of the council of this great institution, the Senate, the entire management, staff and students of this great institution, Oodua University, thank you. We thought of it on what to be, and we just felt that this small token will be good for you. And so we are presenting this to you. And thank you very much. So the First Lady says she really loves this. Yeah. So thank you very much. Please, shall we put our hands together for Excellency? Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Eshiuma. This is from the Center for Gender Studies. Yeah. That's just a token for you, and we really want to appreciate you for coming up to take this small token from us. Now, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we go to the next item, and this is
schools is unmatched. Years later, Ooni Ojaja celebrates the legendary exploits of OLUREMI. In recognition of our contributions, the Ooni of Ife erected a golden statue to immortalize a virtuous person at the very heart of our alma mater, OAU. These legacy projects will expand intelligentsia on Ife rich soil and midwife many of our time in learning and culture.
Your Excellency, our true mother, the First Lady of our dear country, I want to stand on all established protocols. Today, a day of honor and a day of appreciation, not just from the throne of Oodua, but your alma mater, University of Ife, now known as Obafemi Awolowo University. We are all out to show appreciation for your contribution. All the mothers that are here today, you are a beacon of example and a mirror of very good reflection in terms of your charisma and your forthrightness. What you believe in, you stand by it. And also to show appreciation for staying solidly by the father of our great country, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Thank you as a mother, thank you as a wife, thank you as a teacher, and thank you as a mother to all of us, our dear country, Nigeria. I kept reading over and over again the words of our president during your 64th birthday celebration. And that's truly who you are. You are dependable. And that's why I picked this word to qualify who you are, that truly you are dependable in all ramifications. Personally, I have benefited from your words of wisdom, your encouragement. You have lifted my spirit and my soul several times. In my lowest moments, I can go on and on this throne and this journey, and I've been someone that I look up to you and your ways and your forthrightness for a very long time. During my birthday celebration, clocking the golden age, that I found favor to sit on the sacred throne of several thousands of years, irrespective of my age, as the spiritual head of the entire Yoruba people. I have found favor in the presence of God and in the presence of our leaders like your good self. Thank you for all you have been doing. Thank you for your support, and I cannot thank you enough. You told me you will come and celebrate that historic moment with me. I thought about it over and over again. I decided to spin the whole story round, but you are even more worthy to be celebrated. On that note, I have been thinking over and over, what can I do to show my appreciation? For being there during my lowest moment, the words of encouragement I will never forget this day. You have been a mother, truly, and a very strong pillar of support. And you have been firm as well. I like that to think about you, because you will see it as it is. For me, you are worthy to be celebrated every time. And that's the reason why I decided to name the 2.7 kilometer road after you, to add to your legacy in your alma mater. And also to do a befitting monument to continue to remember your good legacy for every student that will pass through this university. It will be one of a sight to behold. Even in 100 years to come, 200 years to come, several centuries to come, you will be remembered in this great institution. And also to name the pavilion built for the use of a student, especially your belief in female advancement and upliftment. It is my joy today for those legacies to continue in your name. This is my only little way of showing appreciation. And I want to tell all mothers that are here today to continue, do their best, irrespective of your imperfections, to be very dependable like our their mother and first lady. The students of this great institution will not forget you, because that is the only role in the entire institution that light will not blink, because of the 24-hour electricity system powered by solar system. And a lot of students gather to benefit during blackouts within the university's community, do their assignments, and to do everything in the course of their academic pursuit. We will always continue to remember you for them. is now a common patrimony for all of us. We're very proud of your giant children. You have shown that truly are dependable. During your reign, God will continue to turn things around and bless our marriage. I want all women and mothers that are here today continue to help me pray for our First Lady, that God will continue to lead her right and put her through and guide her in everything she stands for. Senator OLUREMI TINUBU, indeed, you are dependable. As Yorubas will say, Atukpo Kwalini. As Igbos will say, Onwe Uchu Kwasiyomi. And as Hausas will say, Yana De Uchushi. God bless all the work of your hand. I want to thank all the faculties, the excellencies of your First Ladies that are here to support our mother, and all the traditional rulers from the north to the south, to the east and west of our dear country. I can only say thank you. The academy that I put together for Ojaja Arts and Crafts, so many orphans, less privileged, young teenagers in the society, through the means of hard work and gifts of natural artworks that we do. Because I remember my growing up as an artist too, the passion for me to bring all these young people, and from the proceeds we send them to school. And I want to tell you today that most of these young children that we combine together do the monument for you, and also the artworks that we're going to present to you as gifts to show appreciation. As students of this university, someday they will leave to remember the greatness of you, and we will continue to motivate them, because we all came together as one big happy family to present all these things to you. And I will want all of them to come out to join me to present all these monumental artworks to you, to show our appreciation before we go to unveil all the various points. Thank you very much.
Great Ife. Articulate Ife. Articulate Gogo. Bagba. Bagba Gogo. Three posers for our mother. Because of time, I have this academy. We are so many all over the country, about 600 of us, 600, 650, displaying their skill. So they are all here to present all these gifts to you. Korede, I discovered from Ajegule in Lagos, right inside Ajegule, and he has a super skill. And so many of them are right in the university. We all sat together day and night to do the tallest monument for our mother in this university. On this note, we want you to come upstairs, our mother, the First Lady, and all the mothers, please, the stage is enough to join me. All the First Ladies that are here, please let us honor her. She deserves to be honored. Let
the wife of the Speaker, the wife of the Deputy Senate President, and Yeye Oodua, my Oloris. Please, all of you, come. Let us celebrate her. They're here. You can see them. I picked few of them. They want to take pictures with you. Specifically, they requested for it to place it at the pavilion built for you in this university. We want to remember you in 100 years. We are going to stay with your mother. First of all, take that picture with her. We'll honor you. No. Oh yeah, you sit or kneel down beside her. She's your mother. She's your grandmother. Kneel. Oh yeah, go to that side. All of you, quick. Great effort. These are orphans, less privileged children. They did this artwork for her. Please give them a resounding round of applause. Oh yeah, cool. Spread. Let them take a picture with her first. Are you fulfilled now, all of you? Kasim, what are you? The team leader. Okay, you are here. Okay, good. Awe, the photographer, join them too. He's one of your students. He's part of us. He did the video presentation. Give him a resounding round of applause. The wife of the Honorable Minister for Works. You should be here now, Abba. Please come now. Give her a resounding round of applause. Come. The wife of the Minister of Interior. Please come. Our mother is here. Sports and Agric. Please, you will take picture with her first. With this, the First Lady. So the boys, you can go. Please spread out. Myself and mothers, we want mothers here. Go.